loud. Okay. So, places with beef.
Places with beef. Bull&Bush. They do Bull&Bush. They have a good steak. That's right.
I hope you have a big appetite.
I was gonna fix up our appetite for us, but then the people that do that are not available.
What does that mean? Fix up an appetite?
Jog.
You can't jog by yourself, but
I hope I like. This here lady listens to Pasa for a living. Nah.
I'm international.
International, man.
Yes. Fine, come on, US.
I couldn't never know US. So what was you hours straight?
No,
straight out.
What's shaking?
No, I'm not gonna shake it straight.
We'll check mine.
yo, man, mic check, man. When we get there, I guess we're gonna have to talk to the manager and be like, oh, we're shooting a show. Make us your best steak. Bring the white people thing out.
The nicest one. How do I get to Bull&Bush from here? I want to enter the cafe.
Hey, when I'm to US, can I have
Come on.
Born a straight.
I haven't been living here for a minute.
Alright, so approaching Sundays. Yeah. Hit the fire of the bed. Whoa. What is that? Oh Lord.
Giraffe.
Of course.
My favorite animal.
What's this thing of people taking pictures kissing giraffes? That's bestiality.
I wanted to.
Oh,
Yeah.
My God. You guys have the utmost wildest fetishes.
You don't want to kiss a giraffe?
Nobody wants to kiss a giraffe.
Probably nobody then.
You got jokes.
In my hand got me wavy, Mediterranean.
So we're gonna have your T-bone steak. Medium rare. I like my medium rare.
Do you guys have beef wings?
Sorry, please ignore him.
Chips, baked potato, vegetables, salad.
Salad.
Salad it is. Hey, what restaurant should we have? Is it fillet or filet?
Filet. T-bone.
And I was at the restaurant again.
T-bone. Okay.
And now we're looking for the best beef.
Yeah.
So what the best T-bone?
Give us the T-bone, medium rare.
A little game for you. Candy.
Yes.
There's different parts in a cow, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you the answers and I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to pick from the answers. So we're naming parts of cows.
I gotta kick a halika.
And then which part of the steak comes from which part of the cow? Okay. There's the head, there's the shoulders, there's the chest, the belly, the hind, the thigh, the lower back, the mid back, and the ribs.
Baton. I thought we were just eating beef, yeah.
Right?
Sirloin. Don't I choose my own answer? I don't even know
Which
if
part
sirloin
of
comes.
the-
I feel like it comes from the breast. It's wrong way. I know I'm wrong.
You are dead wrong. The sirloin comes from the lower back. Where is
I didn't even see. I don't have my glasses on.
Oh, that's true. Where is the rump from? The word like rump. What does rump
Botswana.
mean?
The best rump isn't from Botswana. It's from the bum bums.
Is
From the
it?
bum bums.
Yeah, it's from the lower back, not on the bums exactly.
Can I look home? What do I bake it if I get?
But the rump, where the rumps?
Wait, rumps. That's the rump.
Wait, no, the rump is from the thigh. Sorry. Let's try it. Now, tell me where the ribs are from. Which part of the body do ribs come from?
Bull&Bush. Bull&Bush.
You guys didn't warn me about candy. Right?
Bush.
You guys didn't warn me about this. I don't think I was ready.
Are you asking me where the ribs are from? Here. I can look up. What's your question?
So what part of the body is that?
Chest.
The ribs are from the ribs. Candy.
I feel like that was too easy for
Exactly.
me. You know, I feel like you need to give me some complicated questions like,
there's
where's oxtail from?
There's a piece called round. Where is it from?
Arabose, melenina.
Piece of nama you don't have round. That's what I
Round.
round. What does it sound like it's from? It's round.
Something round, the bum bums.
That's where the cut comes from. I'm spiritual. Maybe then I got Oh snap, girl.
Guys, that's the show.
Oh snap. Sizzling and everything.
Thank you.
You have to say a prayer for the cow that died for this. Yo, shout out to the cow for roaming the streets, not eating the plastic, for eating good graze, for being raised right, for having that bike, that rump. Yeah. Shout out to you, cow, for being alive and dying, so we can feast on ya. Amen. Are you looking at this? Don't show my face salivating. You see this? What? It's a sha. Ngasuba kwa yega. Is it still too much? But listen, all I'm saying is that we get paid for being alive. How awesome is that?
Oh my gosh, they made it to perfection. Nice and red.
Okay, how good is it? Does it need any extra sauces? Yeah. This needs a little extra sauce, right? So yes.
You don't have to close your eyes when you taste it.
Why?
So that all your senses are heightened to your taste sense.
It's all peace like we're wearing no white. Good things, good vibe all night. Jet laid like I took a long flight. Yeah, we alright, so love round here.
I see blood.
The end of the year, put your glasses up to the sky, say cheers.
There's Mediterranean. That's one thing I learned.
Mediterranean as a flavor.
We all think it's a flavor of juice, right? But Mediterranean is a lifestyle where...
Hey, lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle. It's usually
it's
by
a cigar
the
lounge
people...
or what?
Are we promoting them? Are you guys going to give us free whatnot?
Oh, why you guy? Cigar. Please.
Okay, Mediterranean. Mediterranean is like...
Like a lemon you cream. She talks with her mouth.
Mediterranean is like a lifestyle. It's usually adapted by people that live by the sea. Their diet is strictly seafood and salad, mostly, if I remember correctly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, Kenny's an entire vibe. I swear to you, this is wild.
Regular juice and bitters. It's non-alcoholic. So I'm going to taste it. Where's the best drink?
Oh no. The best drinks are usually
because the best beef is not here. I told you we should have ordered sirloin.
Isn't this sirloin? What is
honestly
this?
speaking, guys.
We're looking for the best meat spots here. We have a doctor that means we have a budget. So listen, whether it's in Gabs, in Francistown, in bloody China, the best meat spots for beef in particular. You guys said the last episode that Botswana has top 2 beefs in the world.
After Brazil.
So should we go to Brazil?
Amazing.
Dr. Slay here is looking for the best nutrients. So in the comment section, just let us know where we can go. Suggest any place really. Even if you make the best beef, I think we should invite her over to come have it and just shoot a dope show, man, while you're at it. You know I'm having the salad.
You're constipated. He's constipated.
Well, that big, it must be backed up. That was a good joke. That was a brilliant joke. You know it.
Was it?
Oh no. Where was I before you rudely interrupted me?
I wanted to lie.
Okay, so a Bull&Bush T-bone steak out of 5. What are you giving it?
Remember, there are 3 things I'm rating it out of: service, aesthetics, and taste. How was the service for you?
The service was top.
10 out of 10 for the service.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 for the service. We met the manager. We met both the managers.
Everything was on point.
Yeah, they came through with it.
Presentation, how did it look?
Oh yeah, 10 out of 10.
It came out.
Yo, I think it came out like it was still burning, son. I give it a 10. They pulled through. The salad looks so dope. Oh, except that you don't like that they had the salad dressing.
I'm so glad he's not a chef, because honestly speaking,
what do you mean?
This is not it. And then the taste.
The taste, I give it
out of 10. 10 being the highest.
A 4.
Oh.
Yeah, the meat, I give it a 4. Sorry.
But I definitely come back here because of the service.
Yeah.
I love efficient service.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for efficiency, come through to Bull&Bush. No, honestly speaking, it was a good time here. We enjoyed ourselves here.
Yeah.
It's also very
bougie.
it's intimate, not bougie, intimate. Like you have your own space.
Yeah, indeed you do.
We're into the next place. You can also just suggest another place for us in the comment section. Which place has the best beef? Tell us, comment right there.
Please don't take us to no rap battles.
Take us there. Okay, he wants beef, so I'm not like
Get it? You see, that joke was so good. She tried to run with it, but because she's sexy, I'm gonna go, I like funny. You should do stand-up.
My eyes,
You should do stand-up
they're
comedy.
all the way back here.
You should do stand-up comedy.
My eyes, they roll back.
You know you
all
should
the
do
way.
stand-up comedy. Like, this is the best job ever. I don't have to, like, try
Yeah,
hard.
that's his job.
I love
Like,
life like
guys,
this.
please support me. Subscribe to my channel. Maybe this could be my life too.
That do so for real. For real, for real, for real. Her show is dope. Your channel is so dope. Your channel is so dope. No, like, for real, your channel
Yeah,
is
now
amazing.
he's being positive.
Like, your channel is
Because I'm
actually
about to pay
amazing.
the bill. He's
Nah,
being so
I will
He's
pay
so
you
nice.
for your time.
nice. He's being so nice.
And pay the bill. No, but for real, your channel is dope.